I want to show you how to activate your robot. Now, before you activate your robot, you need to have redeemed your gift certificate, right? So you need to have redeemed your $50 gift certificate, and you need to have deposited if you have to deposit, right? Now, to activate your robot, as I said, this is my code for the $50 gift loan. Okay, after your registration, redeem this code. I have done a separate video on how to redeem this code. After you have redeemed the code, okay, for those of you that are watching and you want to know how to redeem the code, is easy. Copy the code, is below this video description. Copy it after your registration. Go into your account, click on cashback, select get a bonus, click into where it says welcome code, paste the $50 gift code there, and then click get a bonus. That will automatically credit your account with $50. Okay, it's a gift loan. After 48 hours, your first time you are registering, the money will move from your ADV balance to your advertising budget. Now, when you have redeemed, after you complete this step of redeeming your $50 gift loan, the money will be automatically placed on your ADV balance, okay, and stay there for 48 hours. So then it will move over from ADV balance to advertising budget. And then at that point, you will now be able to activate your robot. So how do you activate your robot? It is easy. Logging into your account, click on my advertising on your left hand side, and then scroll down to the bottom right. You will see the button that says activate robot. Just hit that button and refresh your page. Your robot will be activated. After that first 48 hours activation, every single Sunday going forward, you must activate your robot. Simple and short. That is how to activate your robot. It's that easy. It's not difficult, right? So guys, thank you for watching my video. I look forward to seeing you in my team. For those of you that have not joined my team yet, the link to do so is below this video description. Please do help yourself with the link if you wish to earn up to 35% on advertising campaigns deposit. Now remember, the up to 35% rewards that we get is based on your deposit. Every single deposit you make into NTG, you will earn up to 35%. Okay, so guys, thank you once more. The link to join is below this video description if you wish to earn passive income like every other person in NTG. Thank you. God bless.